fireworks on an awards day. Maybe they're still getting some. No, the fireworks left. I think there'll be plenty more tomorrow. Come on, fireworks. I know you can do this. There we go. There's just one. Let's wait a little longer. Nope. Come on, fireworks. You're getting all of us bored. Looks like fireworks don't really go that much. I'm actually trying to let it go farther, but that's impossible. So anyway, that's the end of Fun Day. Subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button if you want me to do a video of more fireworks just tomorrow, because there's going to be more. Bye.